This is gonna be sweet.
Hey folks, William here, Leave Reality Behind Adventures. We have some family in town this week, and we are going to take a ride on the world famous Jungle Cruise at the Magic Kingdom. They've changed some things around, so we want to check it out. Come along with us.
Keep all hands, arms, feet, legs inside the vehicle, as well as keep our masks over your nose and under your chin. I am terrified of noses. I'll probably scream and have to stop the bed. And watch your kids. I'm not going to. All that said, we are clear to go. Take your favorite hand, wave goodbye to those beautiful people up on top.
It's pretty cool.
And don't be rude, wave goodbye to the other ones too.
We'll never see them again.
Yeah. You'll never see them again either way, so, you know. Good riddance! Sorry.
There we go, kid.
Hi everybody, my name is Skipper Kyrie, and for the next 3 days and 10 romantic nights, I will be your cruise director, your dance instructor, your snake charmer, possibly your secret Santa. I guess we'll see in December. Your therapist, not so good at that one. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. To a fantastic and a little bit sarcastic start, my favorite kind. Alright everybody, we are in the Amazon rainforest where it rains 365 days a year. Except today, because it's a leap year. Yeah. Anyway, it sounds like we're coming up on Inspiration Falls on the left, so the longer you stare into the falls, the more you'll be inspired to go. Oh, deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody say, ooh. Everybody say, ah. Everybody say, wow, I didn't know this was going to be so interactive. I should have gone on Pirates of the Caribbean instead. I'm just kidding. Anyway, I did plan a little bit of a surprise party for you guys. Oh my gosh, you shouldn't have. Yes, sir, I really shouldn't have. And your voice is deceptively high-pitched. Was not expecting that. But, yeah, they should be waiting for us just around the corner. I invited all my friends and family. On the count of 3, we're all going to yell surprise. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, surprise! Sorry, guys, nobody came. It's just like my 16th birthday party all over again. The real big snake that says the letter P. Who knows what it's called? Plastic, but good try. At a camp, there's some supplies. Oh my gosh! Would you take a look what they did to my teeth? They painted it blue. They know I want a red one. That's so rude. But at least they got it to turn over. Probably used a monkey wrench or called AAA. I don't know. Anyway, we're now in the Nile River in Africa, which goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, you are probably in Africa. Please pay attention. Oh my gosh, do you guys know they have the best memory out of any animal in the jungle? Wish I had a memory like that. It'd really help with my job. Oh my gosh, it happened! Do you guys know they have the best memory out of any animal in the jungle? Wish I had a memory like that. It would really help with my job. And look now, folks, here's one of the stars from the Jungle Cruise movie, The Rock. Very exciting. Not every day you meet a celebrity. Wouldn't take it for granted, that's for sure. Let's see, we got those things that killed Simba's dad, those tall ones in the back, those are trees, some 67 Chevy Impala, and, oh wow, look at this picturesque scenery we got going on over here. Reminds me of one of my favorite Disney movies, Cars. Oh my goodness gracious, would you guys take a look at that? There are so many rocks on that beach. That's at least like 10, that's crazy. And there's like Ina, everybody say hi, Ina. This part of the tour I'd love to point out some of my favorite plants to you guys.
Oh gosh, are we gonna get wet?
And that's enough of that. And up ahead we've got Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous African explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. Yeah. And if you didn't get that joke, don't worry, we will go over it later. But first, here's a little bit of a refreshing compliment for you guys. And I'm sure you guys are wondering how I landed this job. Well, it's plain to see. I took a crash course, and now I'm just waiting until my career takes off. You guys ever feel like you're just going to hit this through again, and well, there's my last boat. You know, the Wickles did charge that boat, but don't worry guys, this boat only takes cash. Yeah. But it looks like we are approaching some pretty serious monkey business. Oh my goodness gracious. One of them is taking the microphone. What's he saying? Oh, I'm so sorry, parents. I don't know where he learned that kind of language. But anyway, let's split, shall we? Well, would you take a look at that, guys? You know, butterflies are just not what they used to be. Caterpillars. Alright, folks, I think it's all about time for the eighth wonder of the world. What do you think? Sound good? Awesome. Well, here it is, guys. Look at and we're in the Mekong River, and that temple ahead is Mekong Me Nervous. I'm going to close my eyes because I'm scared of the dark, but if we make it out alive, let me know what happens. Good luck. Down. Thank you. Alright, we should be
We're gonna get freaking splashed.
Okay, duck, goose. That's called dry humor. Thanks for playing. Anyway, yeah, it looks like we're approaching the end of our tour, and well, the return to civilization. That's right, the most terrifying portion yet. Anyway, please keep all hands on feet, legs inside the vehicle, and take your kids with you. Unattended children are sent to Small World. That's not a thing I wish on anyone. How's your tour? Awesome. Alright, we do have this lovely gift shop here. Looks like Trader Sam is out collecting more materials for it right now. You wouldn't believe what people leave on strollers nowadays.